Hi guys, this is Jerry. Welcome to the channel. This video I'll give you a quick handover and go through the basic features about this vehicle. So this video will basically helps you before you go to either test drive or you're driving a long car, or you're driving a courtesy vehicle, you're driving a rental car somewhere, or before you get on the road. So just to go through the basic features, it will be a quick guidance. If you want more MG features or tutorial video, please check my link down below. That will go through all the things instead of just basic stuff. And if you're looking to buy one in Auckland, New Zealand, make sure you contact me. My name is Jerry. I work for iBit, and if you're looking for more videos in the future, please make sure you subscribe and like down below. So quick guidance, keys. This is how the key looks like. We have lock, mirror locked up, and unlock, just like that. So we also have keyless entry on the door, so just press the button to lock or press the button to unlock. It's pretty simple. At the front we have the charging port, so press this cover open as soon as the vehicle is unlocked, central locking. We have type 2 on the top and combined CCS for DC charging, so that's pretty easy. When you plug it in, it will lock itself, and when you want to unlock the charger just press the unlock key to make sure before you pull it out. Basically you get an indicator on the right that tells you if it's charging or not charging. It will give you blank or breathing if it's charging to a certain percentage. Yeah, that's pretty standard. Boot opens by pushing the logo on the top, and we have a quite deep space. You can also lift this up to a higher level. So this is the sort of 2-level stage level. So this is the higher level. Underneath we have our home charging port and the tire fixing kit. So I'll hopefully do an individual video in the future about how to use that. But it's pretty simple. You get the instruction on the menu. Yeah. And you can take these off if you need to. Small hooks on the top. You can drop the seats if you need to. I'll show you that later. Manual tailgate. Just lock it. At the back seats, we have pretty much the standard things. Air vents at the back, USB charging, USB-A and USB-C, and ISOFIX point. We have all the 3 tethering points at the back. Armrest, pretty easy, go up and down. You can press the cover to unlock the armrest, and if you do want to drop the seats, just pull this lever, and on both sides the seats will drop nearly flat. And you do want to make sure you take the seat belt before you push it back in. And small pockets at the back, small cup holders on the side, so pretty easy. And when we jump in, electric seat on the driver's side. This is the Essence model, by the way. If you're on the X side, you don't have the electric seats. We're on the passenger, just manual adjustment. That's pretty easy. Go up and down, forward, backwards, and recline, forward, backwards. Pockets and window control, so central locking, the vehicle drives off, automatically unlocks. That's the standard mode. Then you get the electric windows on all the sides and electric window lock for the rear windows, just for safety. And once we jump in, if you want to switch on, you have to make sure you push the foot on the brake and press this button. Now the vehicle unlock and start it up. On the right, we have wing mirror adjustments. So left, go up and down. Right, go up and down to change to right wing mirror. Left, up and down, right wing mirror. And headlight adjustments, so you can do the leveling. So normally if you just 1 or 2 people inside, 0 or 1 will be okay. But if your vehicle is fully loaded with luggage and 5 people, you might want to do 2 or 3 just to lower the headlight. So that's how to change that. Air vents, unlock. That's pretty easy. And we have indicator on the left and lighting control on the left. So auto light, that stays on the auto, and rear fog lights. So we only have rear fog lights, so you can switch forward for rear fog lights. Windscreen wiper on the right, just auto wiper, so push the lever up to 1 position, it's automatic, then switches forward and backwards, or you can go up and down to do manual, so to set. Again, this is not available on the Excite, so if you're having the Excite, it would just be manual wiping. In terms of speed, everything, you get the rear windscreen wiper as well. So pretty simple. If you want to wash, just pull it back, and if you want to wash the rear one, just twist this down at the bottom and hold. That's to wash the rear one. So pretty standard. We have digital dash, speedo, percentage power, everything on the left and right. You get your center display for your other information, and your range to empty at the moment, and your percentage power on the right. And once the vehicle says ready, that means the motor is on. If there's no ready sign, that means you haven't actually turned the motor on for the vehicle. And we can change the digital dashboard, go left and right, so different menu. We have 4 menus on the top. You can see the small lines, so this is the basically vehicle information menu. We can see the tire pressure and the 12-volt socket, 12-volt battery, sorry. and you can see good condition, means everything's okay. Go right, that's your setting menu, so basically brightness settings, to change your brightness level, high, low or high, so you can press OK to go high, medium or low, and speed limit alert, so that means if you set at 100, the vehicle give you a warning at 100 instead of or 105 or 110, and once you're okay, just press OK. So that's pretty simple. Go right again, we have the vehicle information, so we have the current journey and motor vehicle speed, everything. Once you start driving, it'll show you. You can go up and down to change your current journey or long journey, so that shows your sort of battery consumption information like that, voltage and all those things. Turn right again, that's your adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning information over there. So that's pretty simple. We also have the speed assistance systems showing you the speed limit over the area. Underneath we have the cruise control, so very simple, just push all the way, that's off, and pull back, that's on. That means it's ready. All you need to do, just press set button to set and go up or down to change your set speed, and twist forward, backwards to change your distance between you and the front vehicle. You can also engage the traffic jam assist by pulling against the steering twice. That traffic jam assist is on. Means you can use traffic jam assist and the vehicle give you steering balance on low and high speed. And if you do want to cancel it or pause it, just very light touch pause, or resume, light touch back to resume, or completely cancel, push all the way, that's completely cancel, no light on the dash. So that's adaptive cruise control. And when we jump in the steering home center screen, so I've done a full video going through all the things, but I'll show you the quick guidance. We have the battery, so you have your charging, discharging information, everything on the top. And you can also do discharging, so you can buy a vehicle to load system cable that allows you to do charging and discharging basically. So that's how that works. And then we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you do need to connect your iPhone, Android phones to the USB cable to connect those devices. We also have radio, so you can press this. That allows you to play radio through the screen and go left and right to change your radio stations, or swipe left and right to go to radio stations. You can see all the radio stations available, or see the favorite. That's save the favorite, either by clicking this or de-favorite, whatever you want to call it. DAB is not available in New Zealand, unfortunately, but maybe available in some other countries. And then we also have small buttons on the top that allows you to change to different sort of what do you call it, sort of music source. So press this button, that's USB source. That way you can actually connect your Bluetooth or USB, which is underneath again, to play any music as you like. And then we have navigation inbuilt over here, so direct buttons to go to your home or work address if you set it up. Otherwise press the navigation menu, go into navigation, and so you can zoom in, zoom out, whichever you like, and you can quickly search on the top. Type your address directly with the numbers first, then straight name, straight address, and suburb, everything. Or you can see different favorites, recent, all that things. So very clever system. Again, I've done the video of going through that, so check my video if you would like to go through the details. On the right, we have the phone connection. So we've done the management and we have AC, sorry, we'll show you the AC. So press the AC button, the AC shows up. We have heated seats on the Essence model, but no heated seats on the Excite, by the way. On and off, AC button, this is all just quick direct button, then you can quick direct button underneath for aircon temperature, aircon fan speed, and here we have volume adjustment for fan speed, aircon, rear demister, quick adjustments for the front windscreen, and on and off, push and hold to switch on, switch off, and volume and home button. So pretty simple. And let's go back to home again. We have done AC, so Bluetooth, very simple as well. So if you want to connect something, just make sure this is already connected to my phone. So if you want to connect something, just search Bluetooth, then search the MG logo on the top. Very handy to use, and you can make phone calls through the vehicle. So now you can see the phone button, and where the source button allows you to change your interface of the music playing. Vehicles allows you to set up quite a few things. First one is MG Pilot with all the assistance systems. Again, I have done a full video about this. If you do want to check details, you can do that. So what you need to do is engage, disengage, whatever the features you like or you don't like. Convenience, you can change all the things about the door locking, you can change the lighting information, you can see the vehicle information, everything like that. So these are pretty simple. And next one, we have the 360 camera. So as soon as you put the vehicle on reverse, the 360 camera will automatically pops up. but if you don't want it, you can just push it back to park. That's pretty easy. Or you want to engage it individually, you can also press this button. You can click 3D, click different camera angles on the left and right to show you all the things. Video, you can actually play video through the USB cable again, which I'll show you in that video. Settings, that's about the screen settings. That allows you to set the general things about your brightness, everything. Bluetooth, and that connect to Bluetooth. And sound, change your sound settings. You can also swipe this up to do system, so that allows you to see the system software on the things. You can also do USB storage to see what's in your USB. And you also have user menu. You can check your user menu going through this. And bind your vehicle, that allows you to actually bind your vehicle with your phone to do the mobile app control. So that's pretty cool. Radio, we've done that. Manual, we've done that. So there, that's about pretty much about the screen. On the Essence, we have the wireless charging pad. Just simply place your phone over there. Where on the Excite, you will need to use either the USB or 12-volt socket to charge your phone. Mode button, that allows you to change to driving mode. Go up and down, that changes to your normal. You can see over here, normal, sport, and go back, and eco. So change your throttle response and acceleration. Curves, that go through the different sort of regenerative braking. So number 3 or number 1 or number 2. So number 3 is heavy, number 1 and number 2 is light and moderate. Battery, basically it just shows your battery information on the top, nothing special. Gear change, so we're on park at the moment. If you do want to go for drive, you have to make sure you hold very heavy, then go right to drive, go left to neutral, go all the way to left to reverse, otherwise push down the top for park. So if your handbrake is on, you're going to drive, as long as you're holding the brake, as long as the vehicle is in good condition, it should automatically release your handbrake. And then when you push back to park, your handbrake should automatically come on. You can see the light over here. You can also see the light on the dashboard, the parking light. So that's pretty simple. But if you do want to manually release, just push down to release and pull it up to put it on. And we also have auto hold. So as long as you have your seatbelt on, you can engage this function. When the car comes to a complete stop, it will automatically stop for you, stop the brake for you. And when you're ready to go, just press the accelerator, the vehicle goes forward. So that's pretty simple. And coupled in storage and small storage here, your menu should be in here. And on the Essence, we have on both models, we'll have the light control on the top. So this is door light, means while the door is unlocked, the light will come on. Reading lights, and all the reading lights, everything. On the Essence, we have the sunroof, just push back and forward, close the shade, and then this one tilts open and push forward to close, or open the glass, just like this, and close the glass, just like this. So yeah, overall, this is just quick guidance to get you around the vehicle, to make sure you understand the basic buttons here and there. If you do want the in-depth review on everything, or in-depth tutorial on everything, make sure you check my playlist down below. I'll show you all the extra information you want to know. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like if this is helpful, and we'll see you next video. Thank you very much.